Here's a 2016 Infiniti QX80. This high-end, full-size SUV inspires and empowers. You can feel its capability inherent in the smooth, rising swell of its 400 horsepower, 5.6-liter V8 engine. Every time you get inside the luxurious cabin, you can embrace countless comfort and technology features like an around-view monitor with moving object detection, a heated steering wheel, Infiniti navigation system with lane guidance, and tri-zone climate control. The flexibility provided by the 60/40 split, fold flat, and reclining third-row seats, power rear liftgate, and Class 4 tow hitch accommodates living a varied and outgoing lifestyle.
It comes with a navigation system to easily guide you to your destination. Climb any mountain. This vehicle has four-wheel drive. See objects previously out of sight with a rear-view camera.
Take this QX80 to new heights. It's ready for a test drive.
At Infiniti of Cool Springs, we work hard to find the right vehicle to meet your lifestyle and needs. We're conveniently located at 211 Comtide Boulevard in Franklin.